everybody. It is Monday. Happy Monday to everybody. It is a brand new week. It is a snowy Monday. Aroma Thyme is open tonight. We will be open for takeout and dine in. Limited reservations. We will be on limited staff tonight. So if you are coming in or getting to go, just be patient with us. We will be limited staff. A couple of our staff members can't get in tonight, so it will be limited staff tonight. So thanks everybody for joining me. I appreciate it. If you're joining me live, if you can put hashtag live. If you're joining on the replay, hashtag replay. Thanks everybody for joining. Hello Chris, hello Benny. I see lots of people joining me. It is a snowy Monday. We have a couple birthday shout outs today. Michelle in our kitchen, it is her birthday. And Tina, who is watching right now, happy birthday, Tina. See you later. Hello, Melissa. Hello, Susan. Those of you that are joining, the wine dinner is still on tonight. We haven't canceled it yet. It looks like, if I look outside, it looks like the snow is starting to stop. So the roads should be clear and ready to go by 6:30 by the time the dinner starts. Thanks, everybody. I appreciate your support. Marcus announced today the $9.99 special for the week, which is salmon with a dill and mustard sauce. So that is available for to-go only, $9.99 to-go only. That is our special this week, salmon. It doesn't come with any sides, so you can order sides. We have roasted potatoes, we have garlic mashed potatoes, sauteed broccoli, sauteed cauliflower, sauteed Romanesco. Marcus was talking about getting some kale this week, so we'll probably have some sauteed garlic kale. So yeah, salmon is our special this week. Yummy, yummy. One of my favorite dishes that we make is our salmon. So you can call ahead, place your order. That is to go only, $9.99 to go only. Hope everybody's being safe out there. I actually just drove over the mountain from Poughkeepsie. I was there early this morning. I had to go for, my father had a procedure done. So I was there early and drove back over the mountain. The roads were not great. So be careful if you are going out. Obviously, if the snow stops, the roads are gonna get better quickly from people driving on them and for them clearing them. But just be careful. I know we're supposed to have some warm weather this week, which is gonna be awesome. I think 48 I saw on Wednesday. That is going to be awesome. I'm gonna get out there for a run, I believe, on Wednesday. Our grocery store is still open. Those of you that have been asking, if you are not on our website or on our email list, get on there, aromathymebistro.com, sign up for that. All of our yummy specials and all of our great grocery items are on there. Our grocery list is available at aromathymebistro.com, and it is Aroma Thyme Aroma Thyme Direct. So it is available on our website. My dad is doing great. He's fine. He's home. So thank you, everybody. Let's see. So today I am going to make a pink lemonade sparkling wine margarita. So I guess today is margarita. Today is margarita day. I got a couple of reminders. Make a margarita, make a margarita. People were sending me margaritas. This one looked really cool. Pink lemonade sparkling wine margarita. Listen, folks, you can make any kind of margarita you want out there. Pomegranate, pear, mango, habanero, fig margarita, apricot margarita, orange margarita. You can make any kind of margarita. There are some awesome cool margaritas. The simple ingredients that you need for a margarita are tequila, triple sec, or we use curacao, lime juice, and agave. So those are the main ingredients, and then you add whatever you want. We've done hibiscus. We've done so many different types of margaritas. So today is margarita day. What is your favorite margarita? What is your favorite margarita? Drop a comment on your favorite margarita, and maybe this week, maybe I'll just do margarita week, and every day I'll make a margarita. So I've made blood orange margaritas, and I don't know, how about a coffee margarita? I don't know, does that sound good? If you are watching me live, give me a hashtag live. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay, give me a thumbs up. Let's see. I am going to try and grab a glass here for my margarita. You want a margarita, honey? It's National Margarita Day. It was, yeah. Marcus just went out for a run, so Marcus just got back. Nobody's at the school. School was closed today. So, all right, I am going to put some ice in my shaker. And thank you everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. Hello Sarah, hello Dawn, hi Mom, hi Robert, Bobby, hello Ralph. Let's see who else is on. There's lots of people on. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. And I love my margaritas on the rocks, and I love salt. So I am going to put lime juice on the side of my glass so I can dip it into the salt. So those of you that don't know how to do that, you put the lime on and you swirl it around. And we use real salt from Himalaya, from the Utah Flats. This is available to buy here at Aroma Thyme. I am going to start with 2 ounces of tequila. I am going to put an ounce of triple sec, or what we use, curacao. This is a real orange curacao. It's awesome, awesome, awesome. Thanks everybody for watching. I see some more people joining. Hello, Lynn. I'm gonna add about a half an ounce of lime juice. I'm going to add a little bit of agave. And I am going to add some cherry juice. That's gonna give me my pink. So it's more like a cherry margarita, but I'm calling it my pink lemonade margarita today. All right, I'm gonna shake that up, give that a good shake. Oh, and you know what? Actually, I wanted to put it in a wine glass. So I'm gonna make Marcus's in here, and I'm gonna make mine in a wine glass. Because I think because it has sparkling wine, I wanna make it in a wine glass. So. Cody's asking what his is going in. So I am going to put some ice in here. Thanks everybody for watching me. Really appreciate it. Marcus and I, are busy working all the time to bring you the best experience. Wow, look at that. So you could use pink lemonade. I make my own lemonade. My lemonade is made, I use lime juice, so I made a limeade actually. So lime juice, agave, and water, that's how you make lemonade. And then I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of sparkling Prosecco. And there you have it. So it is a pink lemonade, sparkling wine margarita. Put Cody Lynch in a beer mug. That's a good idea. That's a great idea, Ralph. I love it. Let's taste away. Wow, that's yummy. So folks, you can make a margarita out of anything. The basic ingredients: tequila, triple sec or curacao, lime juice, and agave, or a sweetener. You can use sugar if you'd like, and add anything that you want to it. You can make blood orange. You can make lots of different things. His margarita in a beer mug mouth. I love it. Month. His margarita in a beer mug month. Cheers to Margarita Day. Today is $9.99 salmon to go. We are open. We have tables available, limited tables tonight because we have our wine dinner. The wine dinner is pretty much sold out, and sounds so good. Love how creative you are behind the bar. Thanks, Dawn. Just all from just working here. Dawn is a high school friend that I went to high school with, so it's always fun to see your creativity, Dawn, as well. She's been doing a lot of really cool dishes, some vegan dishes, vegetarian dishes, so I love to keep in touch with all of you people. And one day soon we'll be back open normal and having people at the bar and sitting outside drinking margaritas and drinking wine together. In the meantime, everybody stay safe, be healthy, and thank you for your support. Grocery store is open. We're open tonight. We are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and we will see everybody shortly. Stay safe out there. The snow is falling, but it is coming down slower than it was, and we will see everybody soon. Couple of big announcements. Actually, while I have everybody here, we will be doing, yes, soon, hopefully. We have some seats left for our wine trip to the Finger Lakes, March 19th to the 21st. If you are interested in going on that trip with us, let me know right away. We have 4 spots available, and I had someone interested yesterday. So If you are interested in going to the Finger Lakes, traveling with Marcus and I, going to wineries, eating, having food, drinks, all that stuff with us for a weekend, we take care of everything. Let me know. 845-647-3000. We will be doing a very small vintage run, wine run on March 7th. We will only be taking 20 people. It'll be a small run. It'll involve wine afterwards. Obviously, social distance. Maybe we'll do it outside if it's a nice day. And that information will be coming up soon. Okay, Lynn, please inbox me of that trip. Absolutely, you got it. And that's it. Cheers, everybody. Happy Margarita Day. And we'll see everybody at Aroma Time soon. Bye.